Hi everyone, welcome you all. Today we are going to learn application of stack. In this context, first of all we are going to see what is expression, what is infix and postfix expression, and then we are going to see how to convert infix expression into postfix expression. Okay, so let us start this. Expression is a collection of operands and operator. Okay, so now we have a valid expression a plus b. Okay, so this is called infix because the operator is in between the two operands, right? And then we have a postfix expression in which operator is post the operands, that is towards the right hand side of the operands. So here how we have converted this infix expression into postfix is, first of all we have written both the operands a, b, and then we have written a operator. Okay, and similarly here prefix expression contains operator before the operands, that's why it is called a prefix. Okay, so first of all we are going to write a operator, that is plus, and then the two operands b plus ab. Okay, so now let us try little bit more complex expression. Here we have a multiplied by b plus c. So you can see here we have written b plus c in a parenthesis. So first of all we are going to convert b plus c into postfix expression, that is b c plus. Okay, then this will be act as a complete term, and then we have x and y. Okay, so first of all how we are going to convert this x and y? Now our operator will move toward the right hand side, so it goes here, and then a b c plus. Okay, similarly for prefix also same strategy is being worked out. Now you can see first of all we are going to convert our infix into prefix, that is plus bc in brackets. Okay, and then we will convert this whole expression into prefix. So multiply will go toward the left hand side, and the remaining part will be combined, a plus bc. Okay, let us try one more, and that is x multiplied by y divided by z. So according to the board mass we have to evaluate this expression first. Okay, so obviously you can see yz divide for the postfix, and then again multiplication goes toward the right hand side and we get xyz divide multiplication. And similarly for the prefix expression, you first of all evaluated division first, y divide yz, and then this will act as a complete term, so multiply will go toward the left hand side and we will get multiply x divide yz. Okay, so this is it, very simple, isn't it? Now let us see how to convert infix expression into postfix expression using a stack, right? So let's see. For this we have a long algorithm. Now before going through one by one this algorithm, let us have an example and learn this algorithm using example in next slide. Let's have an expression, that is a divided by b raised to the power c minus d. Okay, so first of all what we have to do, we have to add a left parenthesis here and a right parenthesis here. Okay, this is the step 2. Why step 2? Step 1 is a start. I haven't shown that step because it is obviously we are going to start. Our step 2 says add left parenthesis and right parenthesis to the start and end of the expression e. So here now on we are going to pronounce this expression as e. Okay, now let's move toward the step 3. Okay, in step 3 we have to push a left parenthesis, that is we have added to e toward the stack. Now you can see I have made 3 columns. One is operator or operand that is to be scanned one by one, and stack status and the result. Okay, resulting expression, you can say that. We have third step. Now what we need to do for the fourth step, we have to continuously scan one by one each and every element of this expression. So here we are going to scan a. Okay, and we have to repeat step 5 for all the operands. So now we have a step 5. So now we have scanned the a. Let's read 5. Okay, or you can say it's a operand, so an operand, then add it to the list. Okay, so we are going to add this A to the list. Okay, now you can see A has moved toward the list. Next, we have scanned a slash. Now what we need to do, we need to search for the appropriate operation. Now you can see step 5, third point, an operator, then pop operator from stack and add to list which has same or higher precedence than the incoming operator. Since we do not have any operator, so we have to perform the step B. So now what we need to do is we need to simply add the operator toward the stack. Okay, since we do not have any operator, so we cannot pop any element. Now the next is B is a operator, so you have to again perform this step. Okay, so if I click on it, so it will move my B toward the list. Okay, then now I have to scan a power. Then you can see now this caret sign has a higher precedence than the division, so you can say that this step we cannot perform, right? We have to straight away add it to the stack. Okay, now next step, C, obviously it is an operand, so it will move toward the list. Okay, now you can see moved. Now we have a negative sign, its precedence order is less than both the operators. So what we'll do, we have to pop first element and move toward the expression. So now, okay, now we have to pop one more because division also has higher precedence, it is also popped, and then we have to stop, and then we have to add our operator to the stack, right? Now D, so D is a operand, now it will move toward the result or list. Okay, now the last right parenthesis, if a right parenthesis is encountered, then pop each operator from stack and add to list until a left parenthesis is encountered. So we have only one operator, so we have to repeatedly pop and add to the result. So we have only one, so it will move toward the list and this will be our result, and then we have to remove left parenthesis from the stack. Okay, so finally we will be getting our result. Thank you for watching.